I just received this in the mail. We're going to do an unboxing. It's a long-range wireless audio receiver. And I do believe this is optical. So it uses a fiber optic system, I think. I could be wrong. And, oh, there we go. All right, so let's take a look at this. Here's your schematic, right? It shows your DC5 power cable. Then it's got auxiliary cables and an RC cable. We're not going to use the RCA cables. We'll use the fiber optic cable. It's got a power on switch. And then you just pair it. Bam, done. So let's check it out. Comes with the user's manual. This is the unit itself, which we will pull out of its sleeve. It says pairing. Press and hold the pair button for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth indicator flashes blue or red alternatingly, that's easy for you to say. Clear pairing history. Press and hold the pair and EQ button simultaneously for 5 seconds until the LEDs blink once. Okay, all right. So that's on the antenna. We'll save that just in case we need it. And then this pulls off. And so basically this is it right here. Here's your power in. Here's your auxiliary out, right? And pairing, EQ, volume, up and down. Bam, that's it. So that comes there. So let's see what else comes in the box. So it does come with your traditional audio cable that you would see on headphones. It comes with a block, which is nice, and it's a USB-C. And this is your RCA sound system that you can use. And yeah, that's it. But apparently, look, oh, okay, I see. So it doesn't have it's not really an optical splitter. I thought it was. It's just a Bluetooth signal. So this would go in here, and then this would go in your TV. And then that's your power button. So this would just go like this, right? And then you plug this into your socket. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you've got Bluetooth ready to rock and roll. And then you just pair it with whatever you're going to pair it with. Whatever has a Bluetooth, like I guess you could pair that with your, I think your AirPods. I do believe it. So we're going to have to try that and see what happens. But that is the unboxing of this long-range wireless audio receiver. And now we have to just set up an application for it so you guys can see how that's done. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.